Hello, everyone. Are you a fan of okra? It's gaining popularity globally, and for good reason. Okra is simple to cook and versatile in dishes like gumbo. Nowadays, even red okra is making its mark. In today's video, we're diving into everything you need to know about okra, its benefits, potential effects on your health, and more. For starters, okra is an edible flowering plant originally from Africa and South Asia. It's known for its fuzzy texture and can be quite sticky, which can be a bit annoying when preparing it. Despite its stickiness, okra thickens as it cooks. Have you tried any okra recipes? Share your favorites in the comments to join the conversation with our community. Flavor-wise, okra is relatively mild, sometimes slightly sweet. Summer is the best time to buy okra, as it's at its peak in flavor and often more affordable. When selecting okra, look for fresh stems and choose smaller ones, about 2 to 3 inches long, for the best tenderness. If you don't mind a tougher texture, you can opt for larger okra. Avoid any with dark spots or blemishes, and remember to trim the stem and bottom end before cooking. After purchase, store okra in the refrigerator for up to 4 to 5 days. You can steam, pickle, bake, roast, or sauté it with bell peppers, garlic, and spices for a delicious summer dish. Okra pairs well with corn, tomatoes, and eggs. For less sliminess, cook it whole and try acidic sauces like tomatoes or vinegar. For a healthy snack, slice and bake okra with salt, pepper, and curry powder, or grill it until charred. For the latest in health and wellness, hit that subscribe button and join our millions of followers. Stay updated with all our fantastic content. Now, let's explore why adding more okra to your diet is a great idea. 1. Nutrient-dense. Vegetables and fruits are packed with nutrients, and okra is no exception. Often overlooked in the realm of fat-free foods, okra stands out as a zero-fat option with a good amount of carbs and fiber. While many fruits and vegetables lack protein, okra is a surprising source. It's rich in magnesium, folate, and essential vitamins, which are crucial for keeping your body functioning smoothly. Vitamin C plays a key role in boosting your immune system and defending against infections. Vitamin K, on the other hand, aids in faster blood clotting to reduce bleeding from cuts or wounds. 2. Packed with antioxidants. Okra's standout antioxidant is polyphenol, which relies on flavonoids, vitamin A, and vitamin C to function effectively. Antioxidants play a crucial role in combating free radicals, which can damage your cells and accelerate aging. By reducing these free radicals, antioxidants help maintain your health and can slow down the aging process, keeping your skin looking youthful and vibrant. Research indicates that polyphenol not only support heart health by preventing blood clots and reducing oxidative damage, but also enhance brain function. They improve memory, facilitate faster learning, and help reduce brain inflammation. 3. Keeps your heart healthy. Heart disease is the leading cause of death globally, often driven by high cholesterol levels. That sticky, gel-like substance in okra, known as mucilage, is actually beneficial for your heart. When you consume junk food, the cholesterol binds with mucilage during digestion. This binding prevents cholesterol from being absorbed into your body and instead facilitates its excretion. Essentially, okra helps mitigate the harmful effects of cholesterol. Animal studies support this, showing that mice fed a high-fat diet with added okra powder had lower blood cholesterol levels compared to those without okra. This protective effect is attributed to polyphenol. Additionally, Long-term studies indicate that diets rich in polyphenol are associated with lower inflammatory markers, which in turn reduces the risk of heart disease. 4. Reduces your risk of cancer. Cancer is characterized by uncontrolled cell growth within the body. Okra contains a specialized protein called lectin, which has been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Breast cancer, in particular, is becoming increasingly prevalent among women. In test tube studies, okra lectin has been found to reduce breast cancer cell growth by up to 63% and has also shown potential against skin cancers. However, these studies are preliminary and conducted in test tubes, so more rigorous human research is needed to establish definitive conclusions. Nevertheless, incorporating okra into your diet could be a beneficial step towards cancer prevention. After all, it's a simple addition with potentially significant benefits. 5. Can lower your blood sugar. Okra can be helpful for those with diabetes, as research has consistently demonstrated. Animal studies indicate that consuming okra extracts regularly can prevent spikes in blood sugar levels. This is because okra helps to prevent your digestive system from absorbing excess sugar, leading to more stable blood sugar levels. However, if you're diabetic and on medication, incorporating okra into your diet might affect your blood sugar, causing fluctuations. It's important to consult your doctor before adding okra to your diet if you're taking diabetes medication. 6. Great for pregnant women. Expecting a baby or planning to get pregnant. Consider increasing your intake of okra. It's packed with folate, a vital nutrient for your baby's development. Folate plays a crucial role in protecting the unborn child and strengthening its spine and overall growth. Experts recommend that pregnant women consume 400 micrograms of folate daily, but studies show many fall short. Just 1 cup of okra can provide up to 15% of your daily folate requirement, making it an excellent choice to help ensure your baby is strong and healthy even before birth. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.